Hello, today we will guide you through how to create reminders and tasks for messages in Microsoft Teams. In this walkthrough, you'll learn a quick, built-in way to turn an ordinary chat into a clear reminder or task for yourself or your team using delivery options right in the Compose box. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and heading to Chat. This is where most day-to-day requests live, so it's the perfect place to capture follow-ups. Choose the conversation where you want the reminder to live. This can be a one-to-one chat or a group chat. At the bottom of the window, look at the Message Compose area. On the right edge of that box, you'll see a small plus icon. Click it to reveal more options for your message. From that menu, select Set Delivery Options. This opens a strip of choices that control how your message appears to others. Choose Important. Marking a message as important adds a red emphasis marker so it stands out in the chat and in notifications. It's a simple way to make an item behave like a lightweight task or reminder without leaving the conversation. If you also see options like Standard or Urgent, Important is the sweet spot for visibility without excessive alerts. Reserve Urgent for truly time-critical items. With Important turned on, type your message. Be explicit about what needs to happen, who owns it, and by when. For example, please review the draft proposal and share feedback by Thursday. If a specific person needs to act, include an @mention so they're alerted right away. Adding a clear due date makes the reminder actionable and easy to track later. When your message is ready, send it. Your chat now contains a prominently flagged item that's easy to find. Recipients will see the important label, helping them prioritize the follow-up. If you're managing your own work, you can also scan the chat later for the red marker to quickly spot what still needs attention. A few tips to make this even more effective. Use concise, action-first language, like approve, review, or share, so the task is unambiguous. Keep one request per message to prevent details from getting buried. If plans change, reply directly to the same message with an updated date or status so the full context stays together. And when working across time zones, include the date with the month written out to avoid confusion. That's it. By using delivery options and sending an important message, you've transformed a standard chat into a clear reminder or task queue. No extra tools required. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.